Me people una good morning. Me where they talk to una, so me na Jessie Zainab Watfa. I they talk to una from Lumley Beach. Me na Sierra Leonean we don't invest this building here where una they see so blue and white for the past 15 years. We na the diaspora then where the late president Tijan Kababi called for can home and can invest. Me brothers and sisters then at Sierra Leone, something terrible they happen at Lumley Beach where I want bring to una notice today. I don't get this land here from 2006. It take me 4 years since I applied 2002 to make I acquire this land here. And with the understanding for say, you where they develop na the other side of the swamp, na you na priority for the sea view. So under this understanding, yeah, now we all the developers them na this Lumley Beach, na that privilege day we don't they enjoy until me we don't can see some bonnet thing na Lumley Beach na ya. Me people them 3 weeks ago, one minister where them call David Senge. Now I just see he come with heavy police presence, well-armed policeman them. Now he begin bring material them. Now this me site here. Now me and me neighbor we get Montana. Now we all two sites them then take now we hand. As una can see me people them, una they see water tank, container they under granite, stone, sand. The container na dey the iron rod and cement and board then they me people them. This man here na the concrete mixer that one day waiting up with red paint. Me people and this minister here, he just come now in this minister here begin they bring material. First I not be understand. Now I try forget the minister in number. I call the minister accept say he go hold meeting with me when a David Senge, Minister of Education. Since then the man no come, he no hold meeting, he no tell we nothing. Instead he just they bring no more material them na the site. So after 4-5 days, na as he say this thing is very provocative. I send messages to the minister for administer me the satisfaction. Me people and so me greatest surprise na police na in them send na me house. Yes, for where I query and ask questions. Police na in them send na me house. Me people them I understand say the minister get 2 town lot investors there where na Italians them. Where them plan for can put a sports arena. Una look pan this valuable apartments them where some of we don't build. Then look Hotel Atlantic, na in there they will get over 60 bedrooms. Look other hotels them we surround we na and service apartments them. Montana na service apartments. Look Madrid, that hotel there na hotel. You get Chinatown there yanda me people them. David Senge, not afraid God. Naya he say they can put a sports arena. This it really get for affect we high value property them. It get for affect the tourism where we all they try for help government for make tourism improve na this country. Yeah, we don't spend money them. Me people them I don't spend beaucoup money for this apartment here. For can put a sports arena na this place here. It go devalue property. It go take away the taxes them where this country and need the dollars them from tourism. Tourists they not go able for take them rest for live na them hotels or service apartments them in peace. Me people them na this na in the problem where they can affect we na Lumley Beach. This na public beach this. No fixed structure or anything of concrete thing for day na this beach here me people them. Na this so all man don't talk to David Senge. Make it go other side. David Senge no grieve for adhere. So nobody no grieve. Now, me question when me want ask, it take me 4 years for me get this place here. And for it don't pass Now almost 15 years so we don't get this place here. Nobody no canaya for can take them place there now we earn unlawfully. Now the Minister of Tourism, I understand say na ingi paper to David Senge about 2 years ago, just when they can of power. And me also can recall when I go pay me land development fee for 2018 to 19, when inside the National Tourist Board will pay them payments then begin to turn me. The general manager of the National Tourist Board, they send me to the Minister of Tourism, where I know say he no get for do anything with this before. When I go to the Minister of Tourism, the woman no they make himself available, then frustrates me as he done. Me people them, how David Senge get this land within the shortest possible time? I don't know. I want me this man here tell we. And how he as a minister for able get this land, he can't take him, not for in your use. Immediately he acquire the land, he go into partnership with some Italian people them. How I know the same Italian people them become meet me for make a list them this frontage. I tell them say the law not permit me for do that one day. So how David Senge do this kind business here, and I may not understand. And also I want to ask David Senge, how David Senge can take a land from a Sierra Leonean for a foreigner where they come for can invest. I know they against foreign investment, but areas then they in Sierra Leone where foreign investment they mostly needed, not to area there where Sierra Leoneans then they come for invest for get their daily living when a 2-town lot where it be say with such investments I get the rights and me tourist them, me guest them for able access this front beach here. But today David Senge don't use heavy power against me own rights, and I no get no side for go complain. As I dey record this recording here today, the 10th of June 2020, the Minister of Tourism they hide for me. You know they answer me calls. They give me appointment through people them for make I go see them. You know they day na in office. Me people them I don't know waiting for do now. I no get side for complain. I no get nobody where they go knock the mouth for complain. Now this na the problem where they for happen at this beach. David Senge don't personalize this beach for himself, and this na public beach. Do ya me I dey ask David Senge make he go relocate the same people them wey give am place, make them give am place outside hotels they no dey, buildings they no dey. But yeah, do ya na beg me they beg am, in get heavy power. Me na unarmed civilian where they peacefully they live na this building here with some guests them. Do ya na beg me they beg David Senge. The government need revenue from tourism. They need with taxes them for let we pay. Not to ya David Senge they can put a sport arena where go devalue with property them, where go cause traffic, and it go be chaotic na this place here. Me people them una thank you, but I go brief una back. I go bring more as the drama they unfold.